I was on the north side of the road and she came from the lane and took the shoulder as close as she could to the guardrail.
So closest lane to you?
A-firm, she moved towards me. I was fully marked.
Okay. I'll get him stopped here. Let me light it up, get up to the freeway.
I'm clear.
Southbound passing Lake Montcalm, 69 miles an hour.
The front's flat. 5-3, back off a little bit.
Sure.
14 from 6-6. Yeah, we're not going to make it to Cannonsville. Are we green lit?
Sure. It's just going to take a minute. No one's going to get out of my way here.
Six 6-4, 6-6.
6466.
You have anyone on the north end of Kent?
Any Rockford units on the north end of Kent County? Six 466. I don't have anyone answering up. What do you got?
We got a Winnebago southbound. Tires are flat. We're still rolling by the 114.
Clear. Southbound 131 is the 114 Winnebago continuing southbound with flat tire. 1355.
60-6414.
Go ahead.
60-6414.
6414. Go ahead.
Let's get a little bit further on this. This thing come all the way probably from Elm on 46, Reddick driving, passing on the shoulder. They tried to get it stopped, wouldn't stop. Tried to get some stop sticks on it. Those were successful, and she tried to take out 6466. So.
Clear, so it sounds like a pursuit on a Winnebago. Anyone in position?
5-7 on the post to try and get position here. 37, I can't load on follow-up, I can start that way. 52186 belt line, it's gonna have there.
They're getting off at the 114.
Okay, sounds like they're getting off at the 114 north of Kent County.
I'll roll north, just in case.
Clear.
$60-106.
Go ahead.
They hit my patrol car.
6106, I copy. They hit your patrol car.
$6064. 6414.
Go direct.
Yeah, she just rear-ended one of my units.
Clear. 6106 also advised his patrol car was hit.
That's 6466.
6466.
If you can get to Federal. She's back back westbound right hand until they're gonna get back to the highway.
Oh 6414.
Go ahead.
14. It looks like they just flipped around, probably heading back towards 131. 14, which is Cannonsville.
14, we're going the wrong way on northbound. Permission to pit.
6414 southbound in the northbound lanes now.
Speed's at 43, permission to pit.
Southbound in the northbound, speeds at 43. Requesting permission to pit.
Highway. 6614, whatever you got to get this thing stopped.
We're coming up to the fire, guys. Still southbound, speeds at 45.
Still southbound, speeds at 45, 1359.
5-3 from 66, just follow her. I'll try and break the traffic up. Stay behind her, because there's double lane here. She's not going to have anywhere to go.
Good.
If they take 17 mile, I'm going to try and pit on the ramp before they get back on the highway.
Good.
From 66, they're still running on a front left ram. I don't know how much metal they have left.
Can't be much. That's 109, speed 80.
Southbound passing the 109, 1404.
6614, I think there's a turnaround here at the 105. I'll sit here. 20 Central Secure. 6152 on northbound West River.
52 northbound at West River, 1404.
606133 checking in. I'll be in Kent till midnight. Can I be of help anywhere?
If you don't mind heading north on 131, try and get this over with before they get farther south.
Clear. Still southbound, passing Cedar Springs Avenue, speed 64.
Southbound passing Cedar Springs, 64 miles an hour, 1405.
6614, if I get in front of her, she's just going to rear end me, correct?
Affirm. She'll just hit the gas. You have sticks by chance? You got one car in between us, about 200 yards.
I got no cover here.
Clear on that. Speeds of 67.
Seven miles an hour, 1406.
66 60 from 6466.
6466, go ahead.
Just a heads up, we believe it's occupied by 2.
Possibly occupied by 2, 1406.
66 from 37.
Go ahead, sir.
We're all working our way north. What's the original reason for stop on this?
They were driving head-on, passing 10 plus cars at a time, blowing through stoplights, almost caused 4 or 5 accidents at roadway speed. When I tried to spike them, she made the overt action to come straight towards me.
Okay, who you got helping you there?
Got 5-3, myself, and then 14's behind us now. We're coming up to 17 Mile.
I'm there, I think it's 3714. If you guys get strips out there somewhere, maybe down by, oh, maybe, I don't know what's south of here, 14 or maybe Post. This thing's smoking pretty bad. Yeah, I'm a ways out. I think you got 5-2 and 5-7 is going to be a little bit closer to you, but I'm trying. They're taking the exit 17 Mile Road here. I think 66 is
Hey,
going
real
to
quick,
position
what's the hit speed? Yeah, real quick. You got
You're
2
going to be
seconds.
by statewide 6 is passed, so Kent County can monitor on this talker.
I'll call you back.
Kent County
Bye.
says if you need to stop 6, let them know.
Looks like County's at 14 Mile. I'm going northbound past them.
Kent County's got the freeway shut down at 12 Mile.
Get out of the car! 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 Now! Get on the ground! Get out! Get on the ground! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back!
Enough.
Hands behind your back!
Enough.
Now!
Everybody relax. Everybody relax.
Hands behind your back!
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Just stay there, okay? You got it? I know it's going to be warm down there. I'm going to get you up, okay? Don't go grabbing nothing.
State police, make yourself known!
Anybody else in there?
No, it's just me. I was trying to hitchhike.
You were driving? You were driving.
100% you were.
100%, we just walked.
No!
I got in the last time. Can you pull my glasses up? I got in last
606466. Yeah.